In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive old projects, teams, or tasks in Asana. If you use Asana to manage your work or collaborate with your team, you probably know how quickly things can start to pile up. Over time, inactive projects and completed tasks can clutter your workspace, making it hard to focus on what's current and truly important. That's where archiving comes in handy. Archiving allows you to tidy up your Asana space without losing important data, making your projects more organized and easier to navigate. Let's start with archiving old projects. Open up your Asana dashboard and look for the project you want to archive. You might find this on your sidebar or through the search function if you have a lot of projects. Once you've located the project, click on it to open the project page. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a drop-down menu, usually indicated by 3 dots or an ellipsis icon. Click that, and from the drop-down, select the option that says Archive Project. As soon as you confirm, the project will be removed from your active list but will still be accessible if you ever need to refer back to it. Archived projects aren't deleted. They're simply stored out of the way, so you keep all your history and data intact. Now, if you want to archive an entire team, the process is just as straightforward. Navigate to the sidebar and click on the team name. Once you're in the Teams page, look for a similar menu icon, often 3 dots or a gear symbol. Click this and select Archive Team. Confirm your choice and the team, along with all its associated projects, will be archived. This is great for when a department finishes a big initiative or when you want to streamline your organization's structure. Remember, archiving a team will not delete the data permanently. You or any administrator can always restore it later, should you need to reference old information. When it comes to individual tasks, Asana is designed so that completed tasks are automatically filtered out of your main views, but you might still want to keep things even tidier. Open the task you'd like to archive and simply mark it as complete. It won't appear with your open items anymore. If you want, you can also use the filter options to only show incomplete or active tasks, making your workspace look much cleaner. A quick tip: if you ever need to access your archived projects or teams, just use the search bar at the top of Asana. You can also change the filter settings to show archived items, so nothing is ever truly lost. By taking a few moments to archive what's no longer active, you keep your Asana workspace efficient and uncluttered. Regularly reviewing and archiving completed projects, teams, or tasks makes it easier to stay organized and helps everyone on your team find the information they need without distractions from old content. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Asana environment clean and productive.